Have you ever imagined traveling faster than a plane? Well, Hyperloop can make it possible. It's a groundbreaking concept that Elon Musk brought to life as the fifth mode of transportation. It's all about zooming through vacuum sealed tubes, reaching mind blowing speeds up to 750 miles per hour. And the best part is that it's eco friendly and cost effective. So, once it's functional, it's going to give traditional transportation a run for their money. Now, without further ado, let's discuss the top 10 companies leading the way with Hyperloop technology. We'll start with Virgin Hyperloop at number 1. The company is based in LA and was previously called Hyperloop Technologies and Virgin Hyperloop 1. So, they're famous for conducting a massive test back in 2017, where they put together all the Hyperloop components like vacuum, propulsion, levitation, and more. It was a game changer. Their plan is to launch commercial operations by 2030. And hold on, it gets even more exciting. In November 2020, they made history with the first ever passenger test on their Hyperloop systems after 400 unmanned trials. Can you believe it? It was a big deal that grabbed headlines everywhere. They've been hustling since 2019, and by May 2019, they had already raised about a 400 million funding. At the second spot, we have The Boring Company. So, it's a US based company that is all about building tunnels and revolutionizing infrastructure. And guess what? It was founded by Elon Musk himself. With their main focus right now is on developing transit systems within cities. They have already made some impressive progress by completing 2 tunnels in Las Vegas for loop travel. What makes the Boring Company unique is their ability to create tunnels that are safe, fast to dig, and cost effective. These tunnels can be used for transportation, utilities, and even freight. Originally a subsidiary of SpaceX, the Boring Company became its own separate entity in 2018. And in 2017, they announced an ambitious plan for Los Angeles tunnel system, which involved a Hyperloop running underground all the way from New York to Washington, D.C. That's some serious innovation. On number 3 on our list is the Hyperloop Transportation Technologies. It's a research company based in California that started in 2013, and their main goal is to make travel faster and less crowded around the world. They've got some awesome patented technology and a clever business model to make it happen. Their headquarters are in LA, but they're also doing cool stuff in Europe and Middle East. In 2019, they even released a study about using Hyperloops in the Great Lakes area. Up next at number 4 is Hyperloop, which is a super cool company based in the Netherlands. They're on a mission to shake things up in the transportation world by creating an awesome and sustainable way to travel long distances. These guys were actually the winners of the Hyperloop competition back in 2017, so they know their stuff for sure. In 2020, they even helped develop the European Hyperloop Center, which is like a big hub for innovation in the Netherlands. What's really cool about the Hyperloop is that they have this unique system where the vehicles can switch from one track to another, creating a strong network of tubes connecting all the cities in Europe. It's like a futuristic train system. And guess what? In October 2021, they scored a sweet £15 million through Brussels' first Hyperloop investment package. Coming in at the 5th spot is Nevomo, that is based in Poland. They're developing this futuristic technology with magnetic levitation and autonomous control systems to create the railways of the future. What's really cool about Nevomo is that they're the only country in the world working on this kind of technology to upgrade the railway industry with Hyperloop-inspired solutions. They've even come up with their own unique Margil technology, which is like the 3rd generation of railways. It's all about using vacuum magnetic railways built in new transportation corridors. And they can reach up to a speed of a whopping 1200 kilometers per hour. On number 6, we have Transpod. So this French-Canadian company is all about designing and developing cutting-edge technology and vehicles that can travel at mind-blowing speeds of over 1000 kilometers per hour. And they're doing it all with fully electric propulsions, making a sustainable choice for both passengers and freight. Now, what sets Transport apart is their unique tube system. Unlike the conventional Hyperloop concept, they've come up with a different approach. They are using moving electromagnetic fields to propel their pods with super stable levitation, rather than relying on compressed air. Transport has big plans to operate across Canada, and they've been putting their systems to test through simulations and laboratory prototypes. Their ultimate goal is to establish a high-speed transportation system between Calgary and Edmonton with speeds that can rival those of commercial aircrafts. Up next is the DP World Cargo Speed at number 7. So it's basically a collaboration between UAE state-owned porter operator DP World and Virgin Hyperloop. They're mostly responsible for transporting high-priority and time-sensitive essential goods like medical supplies and electronics using Hyperloop technology. With DP World Cargo Speed, they're aiming to deliver goods at incredible speeds of up to 620 miles per hour. Imagine the efficiency. The best part is their Hyperloop-enabled cargo systems seamlessly connect with existing roads, rails, and air infrastructure, making it a truly integrated transport solution. In 2019, DP World announced their plans to introduce a pilot project for Hyperloop in India, showing their commitment to advancing this game-changing technology. On number 8, we have Zelros Hyperloop. So it's based in Valencia, Spain, and is currently working on a special kind of Hyperloop system that's super energy efficient and good for the environment. They want to make travel safer and cheaper by making smart vehicles and reducing the cost of building stuff. They've even building a track in Valencia to test their system at high speeds. While they mostly work in Spain, they want their technology at work everywhere in the world. Well, they're not wasting any time either. They plan to have a prototype for moving cargo in Valencia in the coming years. And guess what? They're also developing pods for carrying people, aiming to have them ready for testing by 2030. Next up on our list is DTW Hyperloop at the 9th spot. It's an Indian company with the goal to take people from Mumbai to Delhi, a distance of 700 miles in less than an hour. DWG Hyperloop is busy inventing and constructing their very own Hyperloop transportation system right here in India. Back in 2016, they were acquired by Dinslake Groundworks, and now they have plans to transport both cargo and passengers. They are also working closely with local government and state authorities to make things happen faster. And finally, we have TOM Hyperloop on number 10. So, unlike the rest, it's not a company but actually a program based at the Technical University of Munich that is dedicated to creating an incredibly fast ground transportation system using Hyperloop technology. Initially, they were known as War Hyperloop. The TOM Hyperloop student initiative has taken part in prestigious SpaceX Hyperloop Pod Competitions and has emerged victorious in all 4 editions. In fact, they even hold the record for the highest speed achieved at an impressive 482 km per hour. TOM Hyperloop is committed to developing a Hyperloop transportation system that is not only fast but sustainable as well. So, with that, it's a wrap on our list of 10 Hyperloop technology companies. So, are you also looking forward to traveling in this super fast mode of transportation? Or are you a bit skeptical about this Hyperloop concept? Tell us what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.